Hey guys, my name is Alan LaRose. I'm here at MarineMax Cocoa, and we are standing right next to a Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. Has the ice blue hull, rub rail, and this boat is powered with a Mercury 60 horse. We'll just do a quick walk around the boat, get the idea of it. Let's come to the back of the boat here. We have a fold down, even on a 15-foot boat, we have a 3-step ladder that telescopes out. And then we can just kind of push it back in, locks in the up position, stays up and out of the way. On the newer Montauks, they basically started doing this low profile rail, so that is an option instead of having the high rail, so your fishing poles and rods get stuck on. It's harder to jump on the boat from the shoreline. So we did that for the bow and stern. Right back here in the back of the boat, I'll hop in. We have a live hull, located right in here. 2 cup holders on either side, rod holders is there as well. It's a really nice feature. Everybody always wants a 5-gallon bucket on the boat, so they actually give you a little spot. Put the 5-gallon bucket, put your fillet knife there, put your pliers there. It's just really well thought out. This helm seat has a fuel tank down below. You can move this back and forth. Cushion is removable. Helm, 15 Montauk. I can basically fit a 9-inch screen right in there. We have a compass up here. Stainless steel bimini, stainless steel fittings there. On this side, we have this compartment. We're going to find the battery switch, some more storage, and other batteries for a trolling motor option. Cup holders on either side up here in the bow. You have a cooler, more rod holders here. You have this anchor locker for storage. This boat is optioned with the trolling motor option. So it's already pre-wired, battery trays and everything are in there. If you come around on this side, I'll show you some more of the tackle features. Right in here, pop this out. We have 2 tackle trays, kind of your basics, your necessities, what you're gonna have on the boat every single time you go fishing. It's right in there. Cup holder right there at the helm. So that's it, guys. Amazing 15 Montauk. I love using this boat out in the river. Great to load it up with people, transport people back and forth from the island. It just does really well. It's a very, very dry riding boat. I encourage you to contact your local MarineMax professional, schedule a sea trial, contact me here at MarineMax Cocoa.